Top 5 YouTube Thumbnail Maker Apps for Android. 1. Canva. Canva is one of the best free graphics design app for designers who want to create professional-looking YouTube thumbnail. The app comes with highly customizable pre-made YouTube thumbnails templates. 2. Adobe Spark Post. Adobe Spark Post has a category specifically for YouTube thumbnail to help you create branded images quickly. The premium version, for example, lets you auto-apply your brand color, fonts, loop to your creations.